Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the dual apps in your device POCO C40. So if in this device POCO C40, if you want to know about the dual apps, or you want to download a dual app or a second app, or you can say a clone app, like you already have one but you want to download the same another app, you can do this by the method as I will show you. Follow the steps and watch complete video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch it.